Hey guys, so after polishing, they managed to get rid of the door handle scratches, which I'm quite happy with it. But I just found another issue here. So when I got a car, I didn't really get to see it, but it's not a very obvious thing. So I only realized it when after the polishings and cleaning everything, I found a very non-visible dent here, just a very mild one. You can't really see it unless it's if you use under direct sunlight. So it's a very mild one, but I guess this is part and parcel of a used car. So anyway, I have consulted a reputable dent repair specialist. Since it's not too visible, I'm unable to send a photo to him, but definitely there's a little dent here. It's like less than 1 inch, I think, less than 1 inch length. When I compare to the other side of the door, obviously you won't see it. So I'm going to pay him a visit and see what he has to say, see whether there's really a need to do it or not. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later when I reach his shop. So we are now here in Puchong, somewhere nearby the Dent Repair specialist shop. This is my first visit, and I'm relying on Waze to bring me to the right location. Alright, Dent Repairs Malaysia. Okay, should I just park here? Okay, opposite there's a place. So, okay, the mark is quite obvious under the light. It's from here to here. Actually, it's longer than 1 inch. So, hopefully can be fixed. There's two spots here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Myself just do it. So there are two rear doors. There we found dents, and they charge by panel. and each panel is 150 ringgit. And say there's one panel with 2 spots, it's 150 ringgit plus 50 ringgit. So it can be quite costly to some, but if you feel that it's worth it and you can have peace of mind, why not go for it? Okay, but the outcome is quite satisfying. I'm quite happy with the outcome. So service is quite good, just that the price is not so affordable. But at least it saves you the time and the hard work of going for repainting and knocking. So all is done, 2 panels, and all is done in 30 minutes, which is quite fast. So I guess you pay the price for the speed and good workmanship. So okay, I guess that's it for today, and see you guys soon. And I'll leave the Facebook page at the description box of the shop, and if you're interested to get your dent fixed, pay them a visit. It's not sponsored, I pay it with my own cash money. Okay, bye, drive and ride safe.